Hey students! Napkin AI has just introduced an amazing new feature that creates PowerPoint presentations in an instant. Wave goodbye to those long hours spent on slide formatting. Now, you can effortlessly design stunning presentations with just a few simple prompts. This represents a groundbreaking advancement for anyone engaged in content creation. Stay tuned throughout this video to learn how this incredible tool operates, one step at a time. You certainly don't want to miss how this will significantly improve your workflow. To start, go to the official Napkin AI website. Upon logging in with your credentials, you'll find an intuitive interface. Napkin AI allows you to bring in text from your documents, generate text using its AI capabilities. Or start with a blank napkin where you can input your text and create diagrams. For this example, we will make use of the draft feature along with the AI option. Begin by identifying your area of interest. For example, let's explore the role of AI in education. Once you input your subject and hit enter, Napkin AI will generate a comprehensive manuscript focused on your chosen topic. The produced text includes an introduction and several sections, providing a structured overview of the subject. To convert this manuscript into a PowerPoint presentation. At first, we will transform each part into diagrams. Start by selecting the text from the initial section and choosing the diagram option. Napkin AI offers various diagram styles to choose from, allowing you to customize the visuals based on your preferences. Once you have selected a diagram, you can proceed to modify it for improvement. Follow this process for each part of the manuscript until every section has been converted into diagrams. Once you've completed the diagrams, the following step is to download them. Keeping in mind that Napkin AI does not compile the entire manuscript into one comprehensive PowerPoint presentation. Rather, you will need to download each diagram individually as a separate PPT file. Once you have downloaded all the files, you can combine them into a single presentation. Begin by opening the first PPT file and adding a new slide. Next, open the second PPT file in a separate tab, copy its content, and insert it into the new slide. Repeat this procedure for each of the downloaded PPT files. Integrate each diagram into your primary presentation. After all the slides are assembled, you can adjust the presentation format as necessary. Once the formatting is complete, your presentation will be ready, ensuring each slide is visually appealing and well organized, which facilitates the effective delivery of your ideas. This is how Napkin AI assists you in transforming manuscripts into eye-catching presentations effortlessly. By following this method, you can convert your ideas into professional presentations, utilizing Napkin AI's latest features. Give Napkin AI a try today and share your feedback in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.